Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, today we have two gorgeous pens, look identical, but what is the difference? There we go, look at that lovely pen. Look at that lovely pen. I don't know how clear it is. Both of these pens are in lovely green colour. Yep, you can tell there both of the pens are Parker pens. Both have the lovely sort of chevron cap bands, the green jewel to the very top of the cap there, and both pens are in beautiful condition, having been fully restored, fully cleaned internally, and incidentally both will be looking for new homes as well. So what's the difference? Okay, so this one is an aerometric filling system. All the instructions on the aerometric filling system there. This one also exactly the same, aerometric. All the instructions are on the sap protector there. Incidentally, both sort of say Parker Pen Company Limited, London, England, and also give you the full instructions for using the pen. Let's take the caps off for you as well. Let's show you the nibs on both pens. Okay, let's get them together and let's show you both the nibs. Again, both nibs read Parker Duofold 14 carat pen, and then to the very bottom they've got the letter N for Newhaven. There you go, there's a sideways view. Again, what's the difference? Okay, let's show you the feed. You can see both have got exactly the same, what we term as a ladder feed, the Parker ladder feed. So nice and simply both look to be identical. This one, unfortunately, I do come across them, unfortunately it doesn't have a barrel imprint. Sometimes, I don't know, are they worn? Did they make them without a barrel imprint? However, this one does have a barrel imprint, and if we show it to you, okay, it reads Parker Duofold, registered TM, made in England, and I don't know if you can actually see it to the very right there, it has a number 2. So both Parker Duofolds, but once again, what's the difference? Incidentally, both of these pens came in standard black colours, red, blue, as well as this gorgeous green colour, as you can see there, in absolutely gorgeous condition. As I say, both have been fully restored and are ready to go to new homes. So once again and finally, what's the difference? Well, nice and simple. This one on the left is a Parker standard Duofold. This one on the right is a Parker Demi Duofold. And for you people that don't know, if I put them onto, or if I actually just put them together like that, you'll see one is slightly longer than the other one. The standard is it's 129 millimeters capped. The Demi is 124 millimeters capped. Around the barrel they are both a lovely chunky 12 millimeters in diameter. So apart from literally 5 millimeters, both of these pens are identical. Now, although both of these pens have the Newhaven nibs, another way that you can actually recognise the difference on occasions is when the standard has the number 25 nib and the demi when it comes with a number 15 nib. That is the way of telling them apart. Apart from that, the only way of telling them apart, as we have done, is measure the pens, and as I say, the standard is literally 5mm longer than the demi. So why did they bring out the demi? What was all that about? Apart from the size of the pen, they're pretty well identical. So if anybody knows the reason why they actually brought out the demi, it'd be interesting to know. The number 2 on the standard is leading us to believe that it's dated 1952. The demi pens, they came out I think around about 1953, maybe a year after the standard, and the demi was discontinued literally I think it was about 5 years later, around about 1958. But there we have it. Okay, we're not, well, as we'll say, we're not going to do a writing sample. What we'll actually do, because I know you people like to see the pens working, what we'll do, we'll simply do a dip test. So what we've got here is a Parker Duofold, and as we said, this one is the standard model from around about 1952. Writing very nicely. There's no flex on these nibs. I know already they are quite a stiff nib. So what we'll do, let's just wipe that. We'll clean that after the video so that it's ready for the new customer. And let's try the second one. Let's give it a dip, and what we've got here is a Parker Duofold, and as we said, this is the demi version, and again I'm dating it from, well, anything from 1953 to 1958. Again, writing very nicely, as you'd expect from these pens. Okay, I'd say both pens are, this one I think is writing more sort of the fine side of medium, whereas the standard, maybe the fine side of, sorry, this is writing on the fine side of medium, and that one's writing more the medium side of fine, if that makes any sense. But yeah, fine slightly to medium. So let's give it a little wipe again. Let's pop the cap back on, and there you go, there's the writing sample. So both writing very nicely indeed. And there we have the answer to the question, what's the difference? The difference being, we have a standard, we have a demi, the standard being literally 5mm longer than the demi pen. But again, you know, for you people out there who want to maybe get involved, why did they bring out the demi? Because as you see, they're literally identical pens, but just slightly shorter. So if anyone actually knows the answer, then why not leave us a comment below and help us out? So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and don't forget people, just there, give that thumbs up symbol, just click on that, and that helps, I believe, with my videos, and it also shows that you like the video. So give the video a thumbs up. But for now, from me and these two lovely pens, I'll just say bye bye for now, and Slavo Krieni.